Great Expectations, the show that asks the question, can you make the grade? The premise is very simple. 10 multiple choice questions amongst our 4 contestants over here. The 2 that get the highest scores will head to the final round, penalty shootout style, in order to win the most coveted trophy and prize in East Central history. A check for 10 American dollars.
I need that.
Oh. We're so happy to be able to provide that for you today. Let's go down the line just briefly, and as we continue to work through the questions, I'll ask one of you at a time to introduce yourselves. Please, on the end, could you go ahead and introduce yourself for me?
My name is Emily Hagan.
Emily, and where do you go to school?
East Central.
East Central. And I have on my notes here, it says that you are in the choir department.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, very much.
All right, let's start with the first question. Question number 1, again, you're going to write these down on your whiteboards. Try to keep them to yourselves, so that way it's hidden. And then we'll reveal our answers after about 5 seconds. Sound good? Let's play Grade Expectations. Your first question. Which of the following is the 2-letter abbreviation for doctor? Is it D-O, D-R, D-T, or D-C? The correct answer is DR. Go ahead and reveal your answers for me. Very good. Everybody scores a point, thankfully. Let's go ahead and head to question number 2 for Great Expectations. On the periodic table, which of the following elements is represented by the letter N? Is it A, nickel, B, niobium, C, nitrogen, or D, neon? All right, go ahead and reveal your answers for me. Excellent. The correct answer is C, nitrogen. Very good. Let's go on to the next question. Question number 3. Perfect scores so far. How many sides does a hexagon have? Is it A4, B5, C6, or D7? The correct answer is C6. So C's the correct answer here. Yes, hex. Hex meaning 6, not that thing I wished upon my ex-girlfriend. Let's move on to question number 4. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from which country? Is it A, England, B, France, C, Germany, or D, Canada? Answers? B, France. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to question number 5, as the questions get a little more challenging as we move up the board here. Question number 5, the bassoon is a member of which musical family? Is it A, percussion, B, woodwind, C, string, or D, brass? Go ahead and reveal. Correct answer is B, woodwind. Very good. Halfway point. Let's go ahead and introduce our second contestant. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I am Evan Brazier, and I'm from East Central High School.
Great. So it tells me here you go to East Central High School.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I've been going for 3 years.
Great.
Very proud,
How's that going for you?
Some teachers make me want to cry.
That's our job, my friend. It also says here that you're part of the choir department.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How's that going for you?
It's going. It's
Great.
going. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, let's move on to question 6. It says, which blood type is known as the universal recipient? Is it A, O, B, A, C, B, or D, AB? We made that question any more complicated.
It's lunchtime.
Are you eating in the middle of a game show? What are you eating?
It's a sugar cookie.
It's okay. You can have some carrots.
Okay.
Can we dock him points? Go ahead and reveal your answers.
Oh.
Correct answer is A, O. All right, let's go ahead and introduce our third contestant here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Dorothy Schwab.
And it says here you go to East Central High School.
I do.
Great, great. How do you like it so far?
Oh,
Okay, I think we're going to edit that out. Let's try that again. How do you like it so far?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
It says here that you're part of the choir department.
No,
Oh, what are you part of?
the marching band.
Ah, same thing. And how do you enjoy that?
It's amazing.
Boy, everything just seems amazing to you, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Well, let's go to amazing question number 7 here. Are you eating carrots?
He handed them to me.
it's not true, guys.
You want some?
No, I get stuff caught in my teeth. You get that vitamin A anyways. Beta carotene is good for your eyes. Question 7. How many countries are there in Africa? Is it A, 18, B, 26, C, 45, or D, 54? I'll get 10 seconds. It's multiple choice. All right, let's see.
There's 54.
Correct answer is D, 54.
No way.
Yeah, yes way. Go figure. All right, next question. How many compound words are in the following sentence? Someone from the classroom was playing baseball in the cafeteria. A1, B2, C3, or D4? Correct answer? C3. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and introduce our last contestant here. Please go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
My name's Ben Pritchard.
And Ben, it says here that you go to East Central High School.
I do.
Yeah, do you enjoy that?
I mean, I guess.
And it says also here that you're part of the choir department.
I am, yeah.
Do you enjoy that?
I mean, it's pretty cool.
Good. Do you enjoy food?
I'm very hungry right
Yeah? Are you looking at that cookie?
now. It is lunchtime. I mean, I'd still eat it. You stomped on it in the wrapper.
Yeah, that's true. 5-second rule, right?
I mean, it's been more than 5 seconds. I mean, can
Well, it's
I
not out of the wrapper.
Yeah. Can I eat it?
Maybe later.
Okay.
Question number 9. Who is the author of the 1960 novel about social and racial inequality, To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee, Mark Twain, F. Scott Fitzgerald, or Evelyn Waugh? And let's see our answers. Very good. Harper Lee is the correct answer. We've got one more question left. At the end of that question, we'll go through, tally the results, and let's see who makes it to final expectations. What was the name of the last Queen of France? Is it A, Elizabeth II, B, Anne, C, Victoria, or D, Marie Antoinette? All right, let's see. Correct answer is D, Marie Antoinette. Unfortunate for that last round, but we'll go ahead, we'll tally up the results, and at the end, we will let you know who is going to the final round. After tallying up the final scores, we find that Evan and Emily are going through to our final expectations round. I'm sorry, unfortunately, you did not meet expectations today. So we will see you two next time. Thank you so much for participating. And we have some lovely parting gifts for you backstage.
Can I grab the cookie?
Just take your cookie and go.
Ooh! Well, no, I can't eat it, bro.
You still can.
Sorry,
I mean, I
bro.
guess you're right.
All right, it is now time for final expectation. We are going to do this penalty shootout style, alternating one person at a time answering a question. The person with the most correct answers after 5 attempts will be the winner and will receive the giant check for $10 American. Are we ready, contestants?
Yes.
I need this.
Excellent. We're going to go ahead and start with you. Here is your first question in final
ages,
expectation. What occasion
gross.
corresponds with the longest day of the year?
It's like a lunch day. Did you guys eat my fries?
I didn't do it.
Yeah. Can I phone a friend?
No.
Low key though. I'm the people's
Word
champ.
of origin?
No.
Can you use it in a sentence?
It in a sentence.
I'll probably
What occasion
stay if I can have an
corresponds
excuse to
with the
stay.
year?
So yeah.
Well-
Can
Time
you
me out
take
if you
it?
can't give me an answer.
Are you a real one? You
Longest
can
day
even
of the
eat
year?
some of that. I want to suggest putting it in your pocket though and judge that barbecue sauce.
Leprechaun's Day.
So close. Unfortunately, it is the summer solstice. So incorrect answer there. We're going to go ahead and go to you. Next question. What was the first animal to ever be cloned?
Probably a rat.
Incorrect. Correct answer is sheep.
How'd you
Dolly
know
the
that
sheep.
How did you not know summer solstice?
Okay,
Kids,
that's fair.
don't pay me enough for this. Next question.
You don't.
Let's play some Smash.
What identity document is required to travel to different countries around the world?
Something
to do in your
class?
That is correct.
$10 with mine.
You can be like,
I know how to dunk it.
I was in.
Our next question.
What?
What is an eight-sided shape called?
An octagon.
Correct.
Okay.
So far, 1 point each. All right, your next question. What actor plays Ken in the 2023 blockbuster movie Barbie?
No, I should totally know this. I don't know it. I don't.
Need an answer? I'll time you out.
Yeah, I might have to be timed out for this.
Just take a guess.
Take a guess. Ryan Reynolds.
Almost.
Oh, I was really close.
Almost. I thought you had it there for a second. No, Ryan Gosling. All right, your third question. What fish is capable of generating an electrical charge up to 600 volts?
The electric eel.
Correct.
Oh yeah.
This is unfair.
Very good. All right, your fourth question. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person in history to do what?
To walk on the moon?
Correct.
You scared me with the stare. I feel like I'm wrong.
That's what they pay me for, my friend. All right, next question. What is the fastest moving thing in the universe?
It's the Japanese bullet train.
Incorrect. The fastest moving thing in the universe is light, 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second.
I would call that a concept.
All right, we're currently tied at 2 apiece. We have 1 question remaining. So if one person gets it and the other person does not, then they will be declared the winner. If not, we'll go to a final expectation question. Here is your question. What is the largest bone in the human body?
Femur.
Correct.
What? Oh, I knew that.
You seem surprised.
No. I learned that in
Yeah, you
the class.
learn to play it cool, my friend. All right, last question. Now you need this to tie. If not,
Yeah.
we'll have our champion. What country hosted the first Olympic Games?
There's only 2, right? Kind of, maybe? I don't know.
Don't look at me.
I'm gonna get, there's 3 that I know of now.
I'm going to need an answer.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the U.S.
United States of America.
Yeah.
Is incorrect, which means we have our champion today. Congratulations, you win a check for 10 American dollars.
Yeah! Duncan, here I come.
All right.
Oh.
Yes, congratulations. So happy to see you today. Thank you so much for playing. Great expectations. We'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.